Is Chewy on the catnip? Is Chewy on the catnip? Oh my god, you're a psycho on the nip. You have to rub it all over your face, don't you? Oh, I got the nip. I got the nip. Psycho. And look what he did to his wubba. Look it. He just totally destroyed it because he's a psycho with his toys. Right, Chewy? See, that's his new wubba because he freaking destroyed his other wubba because you're a nut. You're a freaking nut. It's like wubbas are catnip. Ew, it's slobbery. Slobbery. Slobbered all over it. Ew. Ew. Wow. What? I can't record you? I can't record you because you're a big me. Oh, you got on the carpet. You see, he waits for you to throw it. Dog, cat, that's what you are. The dog, cat. Oh, is it under the chair? You did that, not me.